Alright, so in order to find the area of a rectangle, it is what? Length times width. So for this one, it would be 5 times 12. And what would it be?
60.
60 feet squared. That would be your area. Now for a triangle, what is our formula?
Base times height divided by 2.
Yeah, so 1/2 base times height. Or base times height divided by 2. That's the same thing. So what would it be for this? We would do 5 times 12, which would give you what?
60.
And you divide by 2. So what is it?
30.
Alright. So you're going to need to know that. We're going to learn about composite figures. So here are your notes. Go ahead and put them in your notebook. So a composite figure is made up of 2 or more geometric figures. You can find the area of a composite figure by decomposing it into simpler geometric shapes with known formulas. So what does it mean to decompose? To break it down. So you were just taking one geometric figure and you're breaking it down into other shapes to find the area. Alright, so we're going to take this shape and we're going to decompose it into smaller shapes to find the area. How could we break apart this shape? Joshua?
You could split it down the right side.
So right there? So we're going to draw a line right here. So we have 2 rectangles. So we know that if this right here is 5 centimeters and this is 9, and this is 5, and there would be 9 as well, we would do length times width, which is 5 times 9. And what is that? 45. Same for right here.
21.
So we 21, and then we add them both together, we get what?
60 centimeters.
You did this last year.
Yep.
So this should just be a refresher on decomposing shape.
Oh, I remember that.
Alright, here is your next shape. Go ahead and draw it out and label it. Alright, so with this figure, how can we decompose it, Isaiah?
You could like put it in 3 triangles. So
Triangle?
no, not triangles.
3 rectangles.
Yeah. Alright, so right there you can go across.
Right here?
Yeah.
So he's saying we go across right here. Alright.
And then you same for this side.
Alright, you could do this, and that's fine, but that's going to take more math. So hold on. What is going to be easier is if it gives you the full length right here, that's where you're going to draw your line. Because if not, you'll have to subtract to find how much that is right there. The same for right here. We're going to draw the line down. So we know from right here that this is a 7 by 3. So what's 7 times 3? 21. And we know right here is a 2 by 8. 16. Now this one is where it gets tricky. So from here to here, it is 12 feet. But from here to here, it's 2. And from here to here, it is 3. So how much space is it right here, Dawson? 7. Because we add the 2 and the 3, that's 5, and subtract it from the 12 to get this right here, which is 7. So we're going to multiply 7 times what? 3. How did you get, why do we need 3?
I had subtracted 4 months.
Yeah, because we know from here all the way down is 7. Because that's how long it is on this side. But from here to here, it's 4. So how much does this have to be to equal 7? It has to be 3. And 7 times 3 is 21. So now we have to add them all together. So 21 plus 21 plus 16 gives us what?
58.
58 feet squared. Alright, so here is our next figure. Where can we draw the line to decompose this figure? Josh?
Between the point part and the line.
Right there. And it gives us a rectangle and a triangle. So we know this one is just 8 by 13, right? So what's the area?
104.
Huh?
104.
104. Now, this is the base of our triangle. What is the base? 8. Because that's 8 inches, and that is equal. Now, what about our height? What is it, Dawson?
6
6. How did you get 6?
minus 19.
Yes, so this whole thing is 19 inches tall. But from here to here, to the base of the triangle, is 13. So from the base up has to be 6 to equal that 19. So then do 1/2 or 0.5 times base times height. And what does that give us? Huh?
Are you looking for the final answer?
I'm looking for the answer for this triangle.
24.
How much is it?
24.
24. Because what is 8 times 6?
48.
48. Divided by 2. 24. Divided by 2 and multiplying times 1/2 is the same. 24. And then we're going to add that 24 to that 104 and get 128 inches squared. Alright? Alright, so our next figure. Where do you think we should draw the line to decompose it, Joshua?
At the top of the measurement for 20.
At the top of the measurement for 20. So this is a rectangle, which is 12 times 20, which gives you what? 240. Now, how are we going to find this? What is that? It is half of a circle. Can we find the area of half of a circle?
No.
Can we find the area of a circle?
No.
Yes.
Yes. What area is equal to? Area is equal to pi times r2. Do we have the radius? Do we have the diameter? What is the diameter?
12 inches.
12 inches, because that and that. So from side to the circle from that side, it is 12 inches. So what is radius? Half of the diameter, which is what?
6.
So 3.14 times 6 squared. What is that?
113.04.
113.04. So here's the thing. Is this for half a circle or for a whole circle? It is for a whole circle. We just did the area for a whole circle. This is only half of it. So we divide by 2. If you divide that by 2, you have 56 points. Huh? And now we're going to add that. So add these two areas together. And that gives you what?
266.52. 296.
296.52 inches squared. Do y'all see how we got that?